Hello students, let's read the question. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find the value of x and y. Lengths are in centimeter. So let's start the solution. In first figure, we have given that side SG is equals to NU and SN is equals to GU due to the property of parallelogram, that is opposite sides. These are opposite sides of a parallelogram, so they must be equal. Also, so from this we can write that 3x is equals to 18. We can calculate the value of x from this. So x comes out to be 18 by 3. So x comes out to be 6. Also, this side will be equals to this. So we can state that 3y minus 1 is equals to 26. From this we can get 3y equals to 26 plus 1. We can write 3y equals to 27. So y comes out to be 27 by 3, which is equals to 9. These are all in centimeters. So we get the final values as x is equals to 6 centimeter and y is equals to 9 centimeter. Now move on to the second figure, which is this. Here we can make the equations as 20 is equals to y plus 7 and 16 is equals to x plus y by the property of diagonals of a parallelogram. So these diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So in that case, we can write these equations. So starting with the first equation, y plus 7 is equals to 20. So we can calculate the value of y as 20 minus 7. So we get the value of y as 13 in centimeter. Also, the second equation is x plus y equals to 16. So we can put the value of y to find out x. So x plus y is 13 is equals to 16. So from here we can calculate the value of x as 16 minus 13. So x comes out to be 3 centimeter. So the final values are x is 3 centimeter and y is 13 centimeter. So we have calculated both the unknowns x and y, which are in centimeter. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.